The Nomad line of portable solar panels is built tough for mobile base camps and off-grid adventures. The Nomad 50 and Nomad 100, the largest in the line, are perfect for longer trips when you need more power without sacrificing packability. The versatile 4-panel design makes it easy to unfold and collect solar power while stationary, then quickly pack down to easily stow in your vehicle while on the move. Pair the Nomad 50 and the Nomad 100 with any of our Yeti power stations or medium-sized power banks to keep laptops charged, run portable fridges, and power all your essential electronics. You are also able to direct charge your USB devices with the included USB-A port. Both feature 4 monocrystalline panels sealed in a protective enclosure, attachment loops that allow you to strap the panel to vehicles, tents, and more, built-in charging cables for Goal Zero Yeti power stations, Sherpa power banks, and USB devices, and an integrated mesh case keeps cables organized and protected. The Nomad 50 comes with built-in 8mm chaining capabilities, allowing you to chain up to 3 Nomad 50 panels for a total of 150 watts. For the Nomad 100, use the Goal Zero 4X 8mm combiner cable to chain up to 4 Nomad 100s into our larger Yeti power stations. Whether you're heading out on an extended expedition or you want to have some portable solar power on hand in an emergency, our Nomad portable solar panels are ready to help you power anything, anywhere.
We started with a simple idea, that human potential should never be limited by lack of resources. We wanted a way to help people better their own lives. Our very first products were a simple battery, solar panel, and LED light that help people lift themselves out of difficult circumstances, providing them with the basic means to improve their lives. After seeing the impact they had on people, we wondered, where else could our products be of use? We went on to pioneer an entire category of sustainable, portable power solutions engineered to improve life across the vast spectrum of human experience. We help people get out further and stay out longer. Prepare for the unexpected and connect with those who matter most. But we're not stopping here. So long as there are adventures to be had, communities to keep safe, and friends and families to connect with, we'll keep creating new ways to power them. This is Goal Zero. Power anything, anywhere.